Welcome to West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hopefully you will find our resources helpful and informative, and stop by often to find answers to your bookkeeping questions. This video is to assist you in setting up your tax codes in your Sage 50 system. We will be setting up default tax codes with their associated tax rates. You will want to be setting up taxes that are included in your prices, GST and PST. You will also want to set up tax codes that are charged extra on your purchases and sales. There's also the option for sales and purchases that are exempt from taxes. Setup is crucial and makes your life much easier if you have the right setup for your tax codes. This makes it so that you can review the entries on the screen and the amounts that are being recorded in your system, and in the end you assign these default tax rates to your customers and your vendors. Let's get started on setting up tax codes in Sage 50. So we're in Sage 50, and then we're going to go into settings, and we're going to click on company, and then we're going to click on the sales taxes. The first thing you want to do is go into your taxes. So if you haven't set this up already, you want your GST with the linked GST accounts, and you want your PST with the linked PST accounts. And also if it's taxable or not. This is basically a shell to set up your tax codes. So we'll say okay. Then we go to our tax codes. Now what I do is set up 5 different tax codes. I have GST, which is GST extra, GST included, which is included in the price, both taxes extra, both taxes included, and exempt. Now if you double click here, then you can do your setup. So status, GST is taxable, the rate is 5. This one is GST extra, so it's not included in the price, but yes, it's refundable. Now if we do GST included, GST included is GST, it's taxable, the rate is 5, and it is included in your price, and yes, it is refundable. Again, so if we do both taxes included, we're selecting both taxes means GST at a rate of 5, it's included, and it's refundable. PST is taxable, the rate is 7, included in the price, yes, and refundable, no. So that's the basic concept of setting these up. Now the reason that I set them up this way is I'll show you in my purchase. So we're going to do a purchase for ABC Company. So we'll show you the benefits of doing the taxes this way. So the first tax we're going to say is GST extra. So that's G, which means GST is extra. The amount is $100, and the account is materials and supplies. So GST extra, it's showing that $100 is charged $5, and your total is $105. Now if we change this code, if you have a customer that charges GST included in the total they've billed you, so this is GST included, the GST is $476 and the amount is $100, and it matches at the bottom. Now if we change this to both, so both would be both taxes extra. So they're billing us $100, the GST is 5, the PST is 7, it shows that down here, and the grand total is $112. Then if we do both taxes included, It's going to calculate the GST is $446, the PST, the amount is $100, and the total is $100 with the taxes included. Then if we do exempt, it's not going to calculate any taxes, and the total is $100. So basically, when you're setting up your entries, so you're going to set in your supplier, so we go to ABC Company, and we're going to, here you would set up, what is ABC Company, what tax code do you want, and that's going to be your default tax when you're entering your purchases. You can always override it, but you will select your taxes from here. This one is GST included. Okay, then in your options, you select your expense account. We're going to say materials and supplies, and we save and close. So that's the basic idea of setting up your taxes. I find it's the best way in my system to set them up. Thank you for visiting West Coast Business Solutions, your source for bookkeeping tips, tricks, and tutorials. If you have any bookkeeping questions that you would like answers for, feel free to leave a question in the comments section and we would be happy to help you out. If you found this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Have a great day.